So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-auto-scroll sa ating TikTok app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So yan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating TikTok app or yung ating TikTok account. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, kung gusto nyong i-enable yung auto-scroll, kasi kapag naka-manual scroll, ang gagawin natin is, igaganito pa natin siya guys. I-scroll pa natin siya since nga naka-manual to. So, para naman ma-turn on or ma-enable yung auto-scroll, ang gagawin nyo lang is, ilong press nyo lang yung video, and makikita nyo guys na mayroong auto-scroll na magpa-pop up dito sa ating right side. So, tap nyo lang yung auto-scroll. And matik yan guys, kada matapos yung TikTok post is mag-auto-scroll siya. So ayan guys, kita nyo naman, nag-automatic scroll na siya. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-auto-scroll sa ating TikTok app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.